Mediterranean Diet Review. Nowadays, people have so many options for diet plans to lose weight and ideally to live a healthy lifestyle. But others are not fully aware of their choice, and some just got swayed by the promise of quick results. Do you even know what is the right and safe diet plan for you? This can be it. What is Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is a 30-day detailed diet plan that can help you lose weight and change your life for the better. This diet plan is making you take control of your health and your body with delicious meals every single day. Out of all the trending diets out there, this diet will provide you with a clear plan in order to succeed. It is tough to start a diet and tougher to stay on course. That is why Mediterranean diet has got you covered with an easy-to-follow plan, which means you will know exactly what to eat and when. It was carefully planned to be as detailed as possible, that there is no space for guesswork. Not only is it proven to work by thousands of men and women whose lives were changed by incorporating Mediterranean diet in their lifestyle, but it is backed by science too, verified to give you the maximum results in the minimum amount of time without giving up the delicious foods you love and enjoy. This amazing diet plan will help you lose at least 2 to 3 pounds of unwanted weight every week and will increase your energy levels like never before. By providing your body the right and real nutrition it needs, it regulates itself and functions properly, making you shed off excess fats in your body and will keep you feeling energized and healthy. How does the Mediterranean diet work? The Mediterranean diet is largely based on the eating ways of those countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, including Italy, Greece, Spain and Israel, and how even when they eat heartily they still get leaner, fitter and healthier. All you need to do is follow the carefully made diet plan for the next 30 days, and you will be able to experience trying and preparing new dishes with fat-burning and tasteful recipes provided for you. You will also learn about the 4 foods that you should avoid because they are responsible for over 80% of all obesity. It is a diet based on the nutrients, customized according to your needs. It comes with 8 bonuses to help you succeed in your Mediterranean diet journey, namely: the Beginner's Guide to the Mediterranean Diet. Everything that you need to know about this new lifestyle is explained here, the basic rules, the helpful tips on easing your way into a new diet that can turn your body into a fat-burning machine. The incredible Mediterranean Diet Cookbook. No need to surf the internet for recipes, you will have a 92-page cookbook with easy-to-prepare and cook delicious recipes and low-calorie desserts. The official Mediterranean Diet Calendar. This is your nutrition journal where you keep records of your food and water intake as well as your activity levels. The Beachbody Program. Get that toned body of your dreams with research-backed workouts which you can do in less than 30 minutes a day. The Detox Guide. A 14-day detox to fight inflammation in your body, a result of long time unhealthy eating. The Winner's Morning Routine Guide. Start your day with the routines of the healthy and successful people in the world and make a habit out of it. Bulletproof Guide. Strengthen your body so that you can steer away from sickness. Facebook Accountability Group. There is a members-only Facebook page where you can meet like-minded individuals who can help you in your 30-day journey. Everything in this program will help you transform your life for the better. Recommendation. This is your chance to make that needed change. Choose to have the body that you want and a new lifestyle that can make you healthy and happy. Choose the way that can help you live a healthier and longer life.